Hello, thank you for purchasing my train set. I wanted to put together a little video here for you to show you, some of the ins and outs of the engine and the operation of it. And apologize, I lost my tripod stand, so this is going to be a little awkward holding the camera and doing this with one hand and setting the camera down and turning it around, so bear with me. Alright, let's get going here. We'll show you how this works. So you can see this is another train that I have that I made, and first thing you want to do when you open this up is put batteries in it. So what you're going to do here, this back piece comes off. What you want to do is kind of grab it right here, give it a little bit of a wiggle. There's 4 pegs that hold it in, and it's also connected to the battery box, and it slides right out. So what you want to do is, you can pop this off if you want to, or you can just do it like this. And there's 2 screws on here. You pop those screws out, and it takes 6 AAA batteries inside there. And once you do that, just slide it back in there and gently push down on that. Make sure that's in place there. On the front here, we can take the top off. You can slide a minifigure in there if you like. I put a little peg in there for him to stand on because it's kind of hard to see. At this angle, you see that orange piece in the center there. That's the switch for the infrared control. That's the receiver, and the kind of like that black shiny thing in the middle there. That's the receiver. That's what you want to aim the remote at. I know it's kind of hard to see on here. See that kind of like a domed looking thing in there. So you're going to want to be in front of the train or on the side of the train in order to pick that up. If you're standing behind it or above it, it's not going to be able to make a connection. So just keep that in mind if it's not working for some reason. Put this back on. Now to turn the train on, what you're going to do on the top here, there's this 2x4 plate that has the 3 holes in it, and you'll see this bar right here that's on the clip. I put that there so you can use this to turn it on. And what you do is you just stick this inside the center hole, press down, you'll feel it click, and on the inside you'll be able to maybe see there's a green light in there. There you can kind of see it, and there also should be a green light on the front there to show you that you've got power. And pop that right back on here just to keep it there, and get your remote. That also takes AAAs. That takes 3. There's a screw there that you take off and put your batteries in there, and you want to double check. There's a switch in there. That orange thing is a switch. You can set it to 4 different slots in case you had up to 4 trains running at the same time on different tracks. And also on the remote, you can see there's a switch right in the center there that has 4 slots. So the receiver and the remote need to be on the same number in order to operate it. I think right now it's on number 3 for whatever reason. So the train is on, and it's this dial that makes it go, and you can go forward and reverse. I gotta get in front of the train here. See? So that's pretty simple. This here's kind of delicate. That might come off every now and then. It's pretty tricky build to get that to go in there at a different angle than the rest of the pieces. But it's not too bad. I mean, you can give it a little bit of a wiggle and it pops off, and you just slide it back in there. Probably the one thing that's going to fall off the most is this right here. I mean, gets bumped pretty easy. That'll come off, and it's real easy to put back on. Everything else is pretty solid. You got your little light here, one on each side. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, you can always feel free to shoot me a message on eBay. I'll put in the message when I send this video to you. I'll put my email address on there. You should probably have a record of it, I think, through the PayPal transaction. But if not, I'll just put it on there. So, yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email at any time, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And thanks again for purchasing the train, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye.